Are you confused about when to use I ate versus I have eaten? Don't worry, in just 3 minutes, I'll make it super clear. The past tense talks about a specific time in the past. For example, I ate lunch at 1 p.m. But the present perfect connects the past to the present. Like, I have eaten lunch. Here, the exact time is not important. The past tense is simple and direct. It's used when you're referring to a completed action that happened at a specific time. For example, I watched a movie yesterday. She visited her grandmother last week. Remember, if you mention yesterday, last week, or any clear time, always use the past tense. The present perfect is different. It's used to talk about actions that are completed but have relevance to now. For example, I have finished my homework, it's done, but the focus is on now. She has visited Paris, it means she went there at some point, but we don't say when. Let's compare the two. Past tense, I lost my keys yesterday. It's about a specific time. Present perfect, I have lost my keys. The focus is on the result now, you still don't have them. So, if time is clear, use past tense. If time isn't mentioned but the action affects now, use present perfect. Here's the trick, if you're talking about when something happened, use the past tense. If you're focusing on the result or its relevance now, go for present perfect. Practice these examples, and soon, you'll be using them like a pro.